Now, let's talk propulsion. The F-47 is expected to feature adaptive cycle engines developed under the next-generation Adaptive Propulsion Program. These cutting-edge power plants can adjust their operation based on flight conditions, offering unparalleled combinations of thrust, fuel efficiency, and thermal management. With these engines, the F-47 can supercruise, maintaining supersonic speeds without afterburners for extended ranges, giving it exceptional endurance over the vast Pacific region. More significantly, this propulsion system generates enough electrical power to operate energy-intensive systems like directed energy weapons. That's right, laser weapons mounted on fighter jets,